Hello guys, welcome back. In this chapter we're going to talk about WooCommerce shipping setup and options. So we are still on our crash course, WooCommerce crash course, and in today we're going to talk about WooCommerce shipping setup and options. Shipping setup and then options. How we can set up our shipping settings, and then also other options that we need to focus on. So let's get into it. Now this is our dashboard. Okay, so to set up our shipping, we're going to hover on WooCommerce over here and then go to settings over here. Now basically what we are going to do is the basic shipping settings for our WooCommerce store. Now if you want to get the advanced one, you need to install more other plugins to help you to be able to achieve what you want to achieve. So for instance, if we click on shipping over here, we're going to see that WooCommerce has set up, based on our settings that we did from the beginning. WooCommerce did this shipping zone for us, okay, meaning that we will be able to ship to Ghana only based on where we stated that we are selling to Ghana and shipping to Ghana. They created this shipping zone for us, and then they made the shipping as free shipping, the shipping method as free shipping. Okay, but that's not it. I cannot sell maybe an iPhone to somebody in the north in Ghana and then still provide a free shipping for the person. But then of course free shippings are good for if you want to market your store and other stuff, so you can use free shipping to market your goods, but it only means that you have the logistics to be able to ship all the things to the person that is buying your goods. Okay, so if you look into the details, that is if you go to the edit over here, and we're going to see that there are a lot that goes into this shipping zone. Okay, so for instance, the shipping zone name, and then the regions, okay, under this particular maybe Ghana, and then also the shipping method that you're going to use. So apart from the free shipping, you can set up different other shipping methods for this particular zone. Okay, so now let's say for this zone we want to set up a free shipping. Let's say to the free, when you click on free shipping over here, you realize that it says what free shipping requires, and then you go over here, a valid free shipping coupon, a minimum order, okay, and then also a minimum order amount or coupon, and then minimum order amount and coupon. So let's say a minimum order, okay, and then want, let's say, a minimum order of, let's say, $1,000 dollars. So if you're able to buy something which is worth $1,000, then you're gonna get what, a minimum a free shipping. Okay, and then the coupon discounts, apply minimum order rule before coupon discount. So of course there is, if there is other coupons that the person need to apply, now let's apply this rule before any other coupon discount. So we're gonna take over here, and then if check, free shipping will be applied based on pre discount order amount. Okay, so that is it. So we're gonna click on save over here. So basically this is basically for the whole of the whole of Ghana over here. So meaning that we can set up a different shipping zone in Ghana, which will also have different shipping zones or shipping shipping methods and other stuff. Okay, so let's wait for this one to load, and then after that we look at how we can be able to set other shipping methods also and other shipping zones. All right, so now that we are done with the whole of Ghana, now Ghana is very big. Now we're going to base on the regions. Okay, so I'm going to just pick on 3 regions and then show you how you can be able to set up different shipping methods for all those kind of regions. So based on where I am, I'm in Accra, so I'm going to go to the shipping zones over here and then set up a shipping zone for Accra. Okay, so all right, so I'm going to add a shipping zone over here. I'm going to click on add shipping zone. All right, so I'm going to give the shipping zone as, let's say, Accra, okay, or Greater Accra. Okay, so that whoever is in Greater Accra will be affected by this. So the zone areas over here, so I'm going to select Greater Accra. So as you can see over here, we have Greater Accra over here. Now you can do same for your regions. Just follow this particular tutorial and then you'll be able to do that. Now the shipping method over here, so I'm going to add shipping method and I'll use a flat rate. Okay, so I'm going to just add shipping method, which is a flat rate shipping method. Now there are a lot of shipping methods that you can add. We have the flat rate, we have the free shipping, and then if you add, you go over here, we have flat rate, free shipping, and then local pickup. So let's say they will come and pick it up from your shop. Okay, so that one is also there. So with a flat rate, I'm just going to just click on edit over here, and as you can see now, prior to this one, I set up a small shipping class to see certain things, and then I will go over the shipping class over here. Okay, but let's look at the method over here. So flat rate settings. So as you can see over here, we have what it's a flat rate. Okay, and then it is taxable, and then the cost over here. Now what will be the cost? The cost will be, let's say, all flat rate in Accra. Because my shop is in Accra, I'm just gonna collect, let's say $15. Okay, so $15 for the shipping, and then I'm going to click on save changes over here. All right, so this is for what? For Accra. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the shipping zone over here and then add another shipping zone. So I'm just going to add one more shipping zone, and then we look at how the difference is, how it is, and then we're going to go to add another shipping zone also, and then over here we're going to go ahead and then let's say add Ashanti. So Ashanti region. Okay, so I do deliveries to Ashanti region, so I'm gonna just select this one. So whoever is in Kumasi and other stuff will also have what their goods delivered to them, but with a different cost. Okay, so I'm going to add also another flat rate, and then I'll add it over here. And then inside the flat rate, I'll add a different cost to it. So if Accra is, $15, Kumasi will be, let's say, $30. Okay. So over here, you can decide to make it taxable or non-taxable, whatever it is. Okay. So let's say I'll leave it as it is, and then make it like a $30, and then click on save changes over here. All right. So we have set up, our shipping zone for Ashanti, Accra, and then the whole of what? Ghana. Okay, so the next one that we want to do is we want to do some small shipping options. So with this shipping options over here, let's click over here and see what other options are there for us to choose from. So as you can see, the calculations, shipping calculations. Now enable the shipping calculator on the cart page. So if you want to enable it, fine, it is there. And then also shipping destination, default to customer shipping address, and then default to customer billing address. So I want to default it to customer shipping address because that is the main thing over there. And then also debug mode, I'm not going to enable it, and then I'm going to what save changes. Now if I go to over here, now let me go to the website itself. Okay, so I'm going to just copy this one, come over here, go here, and then enter the shop. Okay, I'm going to enter, oh sorry, just going to enter the shop. Yeah, so this is a shop over here. Now if I go over here and then let's say I still want to buy this Samsung. Okay, so I can go ahead and then add this Samsung to cart, and then go ahead and view my cart. Now you realize that okay, so let me just remove this coupon from there. Okay, and then I want you to note something. Now you realize that there is a shipping calculator over. It says enter address to view shipping options. So I want over here, and then I will change this one from okay to, let's say, Greater Accra. Okay, and then I'll say maybe Accra. Okay, and then I'll just click on update. Now as you can see, it says what there are no shipping options were found for Greater Accra, which is quite not what we really expected. Let me go back over here and see why there are no shipping for Greater Accra. Okay, so we have flat rate over here. Now first of all, let me just just remove Ghana over here. Okay, let me just remove Ghana over here, and then let me just focus on let me go to Greater Accra over here and see, because I don't understand why it's, yeah, we have the flat rate over here. So there is a shipping method, there is a shipping option. So why is it not working? So let me go over here and refresh the page once again. Okay, so guys, as you can see, because there was a conflict between Ghana and the Greater Accra, which is almost the same, so it wasn't really working. Okay, so that is why I removed the Ghana from it. And as you can see, there is a flat rate of 15 over here. Okay, yeah, that is it. Now if I go ahead and change this one from Greater Accra to let's say the Ashanti region. Okay, so let's go to the Ashanti over here, and let's say this is Kumasi, and then we update it right now. It's going to change from $15 to 30. So as you can see, that is basically it. Okay, so $15 to 30, and that is it. So you can set up off shipping, whatever it is for it. Now let's go ahead and then even with the Greater Accra, let's add another shipping method for it, which let's say free shipping. Okay, so we're gonna add free shipping for it. So the one that we added for Ghana, we will edit this one, and then free shipping required a minimum order, and then the minimum order we're gonna say is, let's say 1,000. 1,000 is the minimum order, and then the discount, coupon discount will be applied, minimum order rule before the discount. So we're gonna save this one over here. Alright guys, so now that we have set up our shipping zone for Accra and the free shipping, now let's go ahead and try it out and see. So we will just go ahead and increase the amount to 2, okay, so that the amount will double over here. So we increase the quantity to 2, and then we'll update it and see. Now as you can see, the cart has been updated, and then the price is 1,700. okay, now let's go ahead and change the address from Kumasi to Accra again. Now because it is in Kumasi, the flat rate is still 30 over here. So let's go ahead and change it, and then let's say we want to change from Kumasi to Greater Ashanti region to Greater Accra, and then we say it is Accra. Okay, and then we're going to update it. So let's update it and see if our flat rate will still work. So as you can see, we have the shipping, which we have flat rate of 15, and then free shipping of for it. Okay, now basically what this is happening is that WooCommerce is not being able to distinguish between which one is which, because it is having the 2 over there, and that is why there are other plugins that will help you to remove this one. Okay, so when there is a free shipping, this one shouldn't show. Okay, so there are other plugins that you can install to it, but basically you see the free shipping works over here. Okay, so it means that we can apply our free shipping to it and ignore this particular one. Okay, so if you are below the quantity, then this one will also apply for you. Okay, and that is it. So the other plugins that will help you remove this one, maybe later on I'll talk to you about it. Later on in the crash course, I'll talk to you about other plugins that will be able to help you make sure that your WooCommerce website really functions well. But basically this is how shipping really works. Okay, so also now imagine if, let's say let's go over here, and then let's say we have just a flat rate. Okay, so I'm going to delete the free shipping over here, and let's say we just have a flat rate of this one over here. Okay, so let's go to our cart, and then just let's say we're gonna update our cart. Okay, so let's just update our cart, and then we're gonna have just a flat rate of 15. Now imagine somebody is buying the Samsung 42 inches TV, let's say 5 of them. Okay, and 5 of them, they are still going to pay 15 over here, which is really not what we want. Okay, so you can set up a shipping class for it, and that is what we are going to talk about, and that is where shipping classes come in. So if you go to shipping classes over here, you can be able to set up shipping classes for any other shipping things that you want. So for instance, I have bulk items over here. So let's say I want to remove this one. Let's say there is nothing over here, okay, and then I want to set up my own shipping class. So what I have to do is just add shipping class, click over here, and then I want to add shipping class based on certain things. So I want to add shipping class based on weight, okay. So let's say I have bulky items, okay, so bulky items, and then I'll add this shipping as shipping class, and then I'll say maybe add another shipping class which is, let's say, lightweight, okay, so for phones and other stuff, so light, okay, and I'll also let me just write lightweight, and also add a shipping class over here. And then yeah, so let's say just these two things. We have the bulky and then the lightweight. So some items will be bulky, which maybe the TV, the fridge, and all those kind of stuff, and then some items will be what, lightweight, okay. So you can be able to set up all those things and then see. Now let's click here to save the shipping class that we've added. So now that we have this shipping classes added, now we can go back to our shipping zones over here, and then set up those items, their let's say their prices for them, okay. So when we go to Greater Accra and we click on edit over here, now we can set up all those shipping classes under each shipping method. So let's say with the flat rate, we're gonna edit it, and as you can see, we have bulky, the classes and their cost comes over here. We have what, bulky, we have lightweight, and then we have what, no shipping cost. So basically what we want to do is, we say that shipping cost is what, 15, but when it is bulky, what happens? So enter a cost. So when it is a bulky thing, the cost will be, let's say 30, okay, and the cost will not just be 30, but if you enter maybe 1 per 1, okay, so 30 per 1. So let's say per 1 we're gonna say maybe, let's say 15, okay, and then oh no, let me just leave it as what, as 30, okay, so 30 per 1, and then we multiply it by, let's say we multiply it by the quantity. So you're gonna what, just enter the quantity over there, so with this sign, and then enter QTY over here. So it will definitely multiply it by the quantity, and then when it is lightweight, that is where we're gonna what, have 15 times the QTY, and then when there is no shipping class or no shipping class cost, we set it to 15, okay. So when we don't set any shipping class cost, then the shipping cost will be what, will be 15 over here. And then the calculation type, per class, charge shipping for each shipping class, okay, or per order, charge shipping for most expensive class. No, we want to charge it for each shipping class, and then we want to what, save it over here. So as you can see, we've saved it. Now let's go to our cart and see how it is. Now over here with our Samsung, it doesn't have any shipping class. So what we can do is, we can go back to our product, each product, and then edit the product, okay. So let's say we're gonna go to all products over here, and then we edit the product and then add the shipping classes to it based on the product that we are adding. So let's say we want to add for our Samsung over here, so we're gonna click on edit, and then when we scroll down, okay, let's scroll down, we have shipping over here, okay. So now over here you realize that there is what, shipping class over here, okay. So shipping class, we can either select bulky or light. So it is what, it is bulky. We say Samsung TV is what, is bulky, and then we can update it, okay. So we can do same for other, like let's say other product, okay. So we're gonna do same for other products. So let's say we're gonna do it for our iPhone over here. So we're going to what, go to edit the iPhone, also click on edit over here, and then change the shipping class to light. So we're gonna change the shipping class to light. So let's go to shipping over here. So we're gonna go to shipping over here, and then change the shipping class to what, light, okay, lightweight, and then we can go ahead and click on update over here. Okay guys, so if you come to our cart page over here, and let's try and then refresh it and see. Now as you can see, because it is what, it is 5 over here. Now check it out, the flat rate shipping has increased to what, 165. Okay, so now let's reduce it to, let's say 2, and update it. Now the 2 has what, has increased to what, 75. Now what this is happening is that, because if you go over here, okay, if you go over here and you check out the shipping, because this one has what, the you know, the minimum shipping cost of what, 15, it is adding to this ones over here. Okay, so what you can do is you can just remove this one with no cost and then just update it, okay, so that it's going to pick the actual one. So let's refresh it and then see. As you can see, it is now having what, 60, okay, for the 2, meaning that each one is what, is 30, okay, and that is it, because it is a bulk, what, a bulky item. Okay, now let's, you know, remove this one over here, and then let's try and then add a different thing. So let's go to the shop, and then let's try and then add, let's say, an iPhone to it. So we're gonna go to options over here, and then we're gonna select the iPhone that we want to select. So we want to choose let's say we want to choose the gold over here, and then we click on add to cart, and then we go to view cart. Now guys, what happened, it is a lightweight shipping, so it is what, 15, okay, but let's increase the price over here. Let's just increase the price, let's say the quantity to, let's say 3, and let's update it. Now it has jumped to 45, okay, and that is what, and that is it, and that is how the shipping classes also work. So I hope you guys will, you know, see the differences between the shipping classes and the normal shipping rate and all those kind of stuff, and that is, you can apply it to almost all your other products, okay, and that is what, and that is with shipping. So make sure that you add your shipping zone and then set up your shipping for it, the shipping method, flat rate, you know, free shipping or local pickup. And then also if you want shipping classes based on your items that you are selling, you can also decide to what, add the shipping classes to it. So basically that is how you can be able to what, to add shipping to your website. Now there are other plugins that you can integrate into it. Now if you go to plugins over here and then click on add new, and then you type in maybe WooCommerce shipping, you realize that you get different shipping plugins. Okay, so let's say WooCommerce shipping, you get different shipping plugins for that you can be able to use for your website. So as you can see, WooCommerce tax shipping and tax, WooCommerce let me see, so ShipStation is also over there. Okay, so you get what, WooCommerce advanced free shipping. Okay, so for those of you who want to offer free shipping, you can be able to also use this. Okay, so you know, there are a lot of plugins for WooCommerce. Now let me just remove the WooCommerce from it and then just say shipping. Okay, and let's see what will come. All right, so as you can see, table rate shipping method for WooCommerce by flexible shipping. So this one has been uploaded, downloaded or installed how many times? 100,000 times, which is what, very good. Okay, so WooCommerce weight based what, shipping, also 60,000 times. Okay, so you can also what, integrate this one. And then also this one has been downloaded 800,000 times, but the review is really bad. I don't really know why people give bad reviews for certain things. Maybe your product is not good. Then free shipping label and progress bar for WooCommerce. You can also install this if you want to give what, free shipping. And then UPS shipping, you know, this one is also based on UPS. You can also integrate a lot of other shipping companies plugins into your website. So try and then, you know, find out the one that is good. For instance, free shipping, table based, and then weight what, based shipping. All these shipping plugins are very good. I've used some of them before. Okay, you can be able to also integrate some of them into your website. So basically this is all about shipping. Let's jump into the next one, which is fulfillment of what, of orders for our WooCommerce store. So that is our next topic we're going to talk about on this WooCommerce crash course. Let's go.